In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix OneDrive not syncing. So the first thing you may want to check is your internet connection. OneDrive needs a stable connection to sync files properly. Next, click on the OneDrive icon in your system tray and make sure syncing isn't paused. You can check that by clicking on the gear icon at the top right. And here, if it is paused, just click on the resume button to resume syncing. You should also check your storage because if your OneDrive is full, it won't sync new files. To check, click on the OneDrive icon and the next on the gear icon and settings. And here in the storage area, you can see if the storage is full, and if it is, just delete unnecessary files or upgrade your storage if needed. Another quick fix is to restart OneDrive. So first close it. You can also close it from the task manager. So here you can just look for OneDrive, then right click on it and click on End Task. And once done, simply try opening it up again from the start menu or from your system tray. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!